Bar chart: Wall Street on edge. Dow Jones faces major volatility amid economic uncertainty. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, is once again at the center of attention in the U.S. business and finance world as markets enter a turbulent August. The index, which tracks 30 major U.S. companies, has shown wild swings in recent days, driven by a combination of Trump-era tariff policies, renewed inflation fears, and shifting expectations around the Federal Reserve's next interest rate move. Red Triangle pointed down on Monday. The Dow opened down over 300 points, with investors reacting sharply to President Trump's announcement of proposed tariff reinstatements on Chinese tech imports. This has reignited trade war concerns, with tech and manufacturing sectors taking the biggest hit. Chart increasing, however. By Wednesday, optimism returned as the Fed hinted at a possible rate cut if inflation trends show signs of cooling. This led to a rebound of nearly 450 points, primarily driven by gains in banking stocks and blue-chip giants like Apple, JP Morgan, and Boeing. Bank: what's fueling the market drama? Trump tariffs return. The former president, now the GOP frontrunner, vowed to reinstate tariffs on select Chinese goods. Markets are interpreting this as a potential inflationary threat and a hit to corporate profits. Federal Reserve Watch: analysts are split on whether the Fed will pause or cut rates next month. Inflation numbers due next week could shift the outlook significantly. Earnings season: mixed earnings reports have left investors jittery. While Apple and Coca-Cola beat expectations, others like Disney and Intel missed their targets, further fueling uncertainty. Speech balloon expert take: we're in a market that's reacting more to politics than fundamentals right now, says Ava Mitchell, senior strategist at Morgan Bright Capital. Every Trump soundbite or Fed signal is moving the Dow by hundreds of points. Chart decreasing. Key numbers this week. DJIA, 35,178, minus 0.8% this week so far. S&P 500, 4,520, minus 0.5%. Nasdaq, 14,240, minus 0.3%. VIX Volatility Index 18.5, plus 12%. Pushpin: what to watch next. Upcoming CPI inflation data release, Thursday. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech on Friday. Trump's rally and economic policy briefing this weekend.